Hi, Henry Tribble here, going over the production of M.I.A. So in this video, we're going to go over the saves, how the save system works, and what are its features, and then we're going to quickly go over how it works. So in the game, the save system works by if you press F5, you can do a quick save, and then that's going to store all of the relevant data for you. And if you walk over a checkpoint, you get a little checkpoint marker in the top left as well. So the way the checkpoints work is they are empty objects and with a cube projection around them. And when you walk into them, let's have a look. They're all across the map here. When you walk into them, they go blue, and if the checkpoint timer is off cooldown, you will get a checkpoint and it will make a save. There's one by the door over there. Let me just grab that quickly. And now if I run back over here and then load, and then load, there he is. I'm back at this checkpoint. Alternatively, I could run over here, press F5, and then say come up here. If I press escape, I can load this checkpoint and it's gonna bring me back here. Now I can also do that across levels. So if I return to the main menu, I can go to level select and it's gonna give me all of my lovely saves. So there you go. It takes a second because this time it's legit loading a whole new level. And once that's done, hey, I'm back. I can, and that works between any level. So if I create a new game, and then once it's loaded the new level, give it some time. There you go. I can press F5. It's going to create a save for me. I can now load between this level. Again, give it some time because it's loading a whole new level. There you go. Or I can go back to the first level and I can just skip between them. There you go. Works flawlessly. So now let's quickly go over how that works now. When we press save, this function gets called. All of the game manager and stuff, there's a little bit more logic, but they're all just buttons to point towards this. And what it does is it takes all of the relevant data and formats it into a binary file. So this will be the player's position, rotation, and health, as well as it does it slightly different separately, but it also saves all of the enemies' positions and health. So it basically takes all of the data, formats them to binary, and serializes them, and saves them to a file. And here's the file here. So they're all saved game save 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whilst we do that, we also take a screenshot. So the player knows which save is which. And this works by taking a rectangle from the screen, just using screen width and screen height, and applying the screen's image to that rectangle, reading the pixels in and turning them into bytes in order to encode them to PNG. It's just a few little conversions we have to do. And after that, we can write all of that to the path. And this path is still this one persistent path to where the game can save stuff. So it saves all the saves, and it saves all of the screenshots. And it's going to save all of them as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that makes retrieving them a little bit easier as well. So we got our save system and our load system. And you keep in mind that this both of these take in a save slot, so that it just makes retrieving them a little bit easier. So we've got this save slot, and it essentially does the process but backwards. So it creates a binary formatter and then opens the file and streams them back. So and deserializes them as player data. So this player data, which we serialized before, let me go back, created before and serialized them. This player data is just the enemy health, position, and rotation, as well as the player's position and rotation, all as simple floats, because vector 3 is a little bit harder to save properly. So there you go. That's essentially how the save system works. There's a little bit more to just like each buttons and checkpoints and stuff, but that's the bulk of it to understand. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video where we go over some of the players' movement. Thanks.